Hello. In this demonstration, we'll do a sample personal injury documentation, and we will include a body diagram, otherwise known as Chiroglyphics. It's not suggested that you just base your notes on Chiroglyphics, but you can add it to your documentation if you choose to. As long as you dictate your notes, you will see you can create great documentation that you can stand behind if you ever get called in and have to submit it. So let's make a new personal injury case for Andrea Anderson and document the results. So we'll choose Andrea Anderson and go into her documents. We'll create a new document and we'll use the Chart Talk template or form called Personal Injury. Now with the Chart Talk forms, we've fully voice enabled the entire system so you can navigate field by field just by saying the name. Cervical, within normal limits. Thoracic, pain 5. Lumbar, within normal limits. You can also use the dragon command next field if you just want to bounce through. So we'll go down to flexion and extension just by saying next field. Next field, 35 degrees with pain at 10 degrees. And if you want to leave the normal results, you can just navigate through by saying the name of the next field you want to go to. Left SLR, 35 degrees with a dull, sharp pain in the middle of the lumbar area, period. Right SLR, within normal limits. Now, as you see, I'll go through the rest of this documentation, and then afterwards we will import a body diagram and add some graphics to it. On your documentation, if you're using a form and you don't want to use, say, the next 8 lines, you can use dragon commands to edit. Select next 15 lines. Delete that. Next field. Positive on the left, negative on the right. Next field. Alright, and if everything is up to snuff, you can get rid of all the brackets in your document just by saying, accept defaults. Now it went through the entire document and cleared out all the extra brackets. Save. Since we've done all this work, I suggest saving. Now, if we want to import a body diagram onto this, all we have to do is click Attach. And I have it pointed to a default directory that has probably the ugliest body diagram you've ever seen. So here we say click Yes to attach it to the current narrative or form. There's the body diagram. Now I've set up the JPEG type file to be automatically opened in Microsoft Paint so I can work with it. So if I double click on the body diagram, it opens in Microsoft Paint, and I'm using a touchscreen computer, so I can either use a brush and draw by hand, or I could just use a circle. So select the circle and say I want it to be red, and circle the lumbar area of the patient's spine. I could even add text and dictate it in with Dragon by clicking the little text box. Make it a little bigger. Pain 5. So there's our pain 5 macro. And after that, when we close down the document, click close and hit save, you'll see that the document has your edited notes on it, and when you print, you come out with a nice little form. We'll print the current document, and it comes up with the body diagram, your note on it, along with the dictated note. This has become a very popular way of documenting personal injury and motor vehicle accident cases to ensure that you have a great looking note that will back you up if you ever need it. Thank you.